I designed a version of my patented inner slide out that works with the flated air topper to solve some of the challenges with using it for camping. I've noticed this inflatable topper getting more popular in the camping space because it's cheap, lightweight, strong, and easy to remove from your truck. However, I see several issues with camping out of the flated, especially with shorter truck beds. There is no way to secure this zippered window, and it doesn't provide any weather protection over the tailgate. The slide out that I designed will also work with the Miles Runner inflatable topper as well as the soft topper, but I chose the flated since they offer a shell that goes taller than the cab roof of the truck, which I think is important for camping. Fiberglass caps don't accommodate the slide out very well since you would need to remove the rear hatch glass and the struts get in the way. The toppers I'm addressing in this video all use a similar removable fabric window without struts, which allows for a tighter fit for my inner slide. The inner slide adds much needed length to shorter truck beds, but could also be of value for 8-foot beds like I own. The large hatch door on my inner slide provides sun and rain protection while cooking or getting in and out of the shell. It also adds lower barn doors, which makes it easier to get in and out than a tailgate. The doors can also be locked from the inside or the outside, adding another level of security. A window AC unit or more expensive off-grid unit like the EcoFlow Wave can be housed inside of the slide. The slide out can be pushed in while driving to accommodate towing and hitch accessories, or it could be locked in place over the lowered tailgate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the future release of a covered annex room that will be incorporated into our hatch door, addressing the need for covered stand-up spaces for cooking, changing clothes, showers, and camp potties. If you are interested in a slide out for your shell system, fill out the I'm interested form on my website and tell me what topper you have in the additional info section.